And it is an impact day for us today. We are dealing with some isolated snow squalls still around the region. Then we're going into a severe weather alert day on Tuesday as those temperatures continue to plummet. It's not just the actual temperature, it's the wind chill. We will be under a cold weather advisory starting at 9 o'clock tonight until noon on Tuesday. So gusty winds and dropping temperatures in the name of the game through the afternoon. Plus, we're dealing with some of the snow. Again, you can see some of these bands continuing to push through. We still have a snow squall warning here just about to expire, but overall still some of that snow dropping the visibility and again bringing the snow light accumulations. We're looking around ½ inch to an inch. Some spots we're up to 2 already into Butler and Beaver, but this will move on out as we continue through the afternoon. By 4 or 5 o'clock things quiet down with the snow, and then we're going to be ushering in all of that cold air. It's already cold outside, but it's just going to get worse tonight. Now I wanted to show you 2 cameras because the snow squall was moving through. That's the Parkway East. This is above our station here in Wilkinsburg. You can see how the visibility drops. Then as we go into the city, no snow squalls moving through. The visibility is great. So that's the difference. These bands can really wreak havoc. If you get stuck in one driving, it can be a little tricky for you. So just keep that in mind. We will have these snow squalls the next couple of hours. That Arctic snap sticks around. We'll have some sunshine tomorrow. We already had a little bit of sunshine today, but it's not going to help us out too much. Temperatures do rebound back into the 30s on Wednesday, but another wave of energy, another front coming in. It's a quick clipper. It's going to bring another potentially ½ inch to an inch around the area. So not a lot of snow. It looks to be in the afternoon. That cold snap though back in as we get into the weekend and into next week. So winds right now, look at Newcastle, 40 miles per hour. Greensburg reporting 44 mile per hour wind gusts. So a lot of us 25 to now up to 45 miles per hour, and it is knocking those wind chills down already. Single digits and low teens. These numbers will continue to drop. By the time we get into the evening, this is around 8 o'clock, we'll have sub-zero wind chills about 3 to 6 below, even some spots near 10. They drop more for tomorrow morning. This is very dangerous cold air in place, 10 to 20 degrees below zero waking up tomorrow morning. They really don't improve too much through the morning hours. As we get around lunchtime, we'll still be sub-zero, but about 2 to 8 degrees below. So again, it's going to get very cold. We should get out of sub-zero wind chills as we get into the evening on our Tuesday. There's your 4-day plus 4 more forecast. So impact day to severe weather alert day with all of this cold air in place. A little bit of a break from the cold air, but then some more light snow comes in Wednesday. We will see a break. Currently looks like Friday and Saturday. There's a chance for a few snowflakes Sunday. Right now, maybe 1 to 2 inches, but it's going to be the continuous cold that we'll be seeing through next week.